Oh, listeners, this is the story of a boy who dreamed of touching the sky when his feet were buried in the soil. 8,000 years ago, when the world breathed under mud houses and palm tree shades, a boy decided to make the impossible possible. This is a story of hard work, courage, and the spark of the heart that never extinguishes. Are you ready to be a part of this fascinating journey? This story will touch your heart, make you smile, and fill you with new enthusiasm. So come, let's begin this tale. In a small village called Mohini, where the sun's heat would burn the earth and the nights were filled with cool breezes, lived a boy named Ethan. The walls of Ethan's house were made of mud and twigs, and the roof was covered with palm leaves. His father, Jaro, was a laborer who plowed the fields and grew crops. His mother, Mira, did house chores and decorated the villagers' clothes with colorful patterns to help run the household. Ethan's family lived on the edge of poverty, but in Ethan's heart lived a great dream. He wanted to become a healer. When Ethan was little, an old healer named Baba Sidhu used to visit the village. He would carry bundles of herbs, apply ointments on the wounded, and give them new hope for health. Ethan would watch him and think, "One day I too will ease people's pain. I will give them life." But this dream was not easy. Ethan's family struggled to have even 2 meals a day. There was a place of learning in the village where children were taught. But to go there, clothes and wooden slates were needed, which was a big obstacle for Ethan. When Ethan had seen 10 springs, he inherited 3 things: his mother's prayers, his father's hard work, and his own unwavering determination. He decided he would not give up on his dream. He pleaded with an old village teacher, Guru Rajan, to teach him. Guru Rajan saw the sparkle in Ethan's eyes and started teaching him for free. But during the day, Ethan had to work as a laborer. He would wake up early, plow fields, make clay pots, or chop wood for the villagers. In the evening, exhausted to the bone, he would still pick up his wooden slate and study under the dim light of an oil lamp. Many times, shadows of despair would cloud Ethan's heart. He would think, how can a poor boy like me ever become a healer? One night, when he sat beside his mother, tired from studying, he opened his heart and asked, "Mom, will I ever become a healer?" Mira held his hand and said, "Son, the gods have placed a spark in every heart. If you don't let it die, one day it will become a fire." These words were forever engraved in Ethan's heart. Time passed. Ethan scored the highest marks in the exams at the village's place of learning. News of his success spread throughout Mohini. A kind-hearted village merchant, Banu, seeing Ethan's dedication, gave him money for clothes and slates so he could attend the big place of learning in the city. For Ethan, it was a miracle. He entered the city's place of learning and started studying even harder. But city life was different from the village. The students there had colorful clothes, shiny slates, and gifts for their teachers. All Ethan had was his determination. He studied all night because he had to do odd jobs during the day. One day, an old teacher, Vaidya, saw Ethan writing on his mud slate late at night. The teacher asked, "Son, why do you work so hard?" Ethan shyly replied, "Guruji, I want to become a healer. I want to treat my village people who cannot afford the cost of herbs." Guru Vaidya was moved by his passion and nominated him for a special honor, which provided him food and shelter. This honor changed Ethan's life. Now he could fully focus on his studies. Many springs passed. Ethan stepped into the great healer's settlement. There, learning about herbs, wounds, and the secrets of the human body was difficult. The expenses were also high. But Ethan did not give up. He studied at night, cared for the wounded with other healers, and worked hard to turn his dream into reality. During this time, his father Jaro fell ill. It was a huge shock for Ethan. He wanted to heal his father with herbs, but he didn't have the resources. Alongside his studies, he started making clay pots for the villagers to arrange for herbs. Unfortunately, Jaro departed to the gods. Ethan's heart was shattered, but he remembered his father's last words, "Son, never give up." Ethan turned his grief into strength. He completed his education and achieved the highest rank in the healer's examinations. When he received the honor of becoming a healer, his tears wouldn't stop. He went to his mother Mira, touched her feet and said, "Mom, your prayers brought me here." Ethan returned to Mohini. He built a small healing hut where he treated the poor for free. His healing hut soon became a place of hope. People came from far and wide, and Ethan treated every wounded person like family. His fame kept spreading, and after a few years, he dreamed of building a large healing settlement. The villagers helped him, and today his healing settlement is saving the lives of thousands of people. Ethan's story is a lesson for everyone who thinks their dream is impossible. He proved that if there is passion in the heart and courage is never lost, then no destination is too far. Today, when Ethan stands at the gate of his healing settlement, he remembers his mother's words. No one can stop a spark from becoming a fire. Lesson: no matter how big the dream is, it takes hard work, patience, and belief to achieve it. No poverty or difficulty can break your determination if you stay true to your purpose.